doctors, be it the lactations, the physiotherapists, the pediatrician, anyone, they are so well trained, plus they give their 100%. Hi, my name is Iffat Anjum and my husband's name is Mirza Naveed Beg. So it's my first birth. My siblings, they have given birth to their babies over here in Fernandez. That's how I got to know about the hospital. I met Dr. Subhashini. She's my doctor who has been treating me. I was actually flying for 12 years and I was not ready to be a mother. And all of a sudden in April, I got to know I'm expecting. I was really scared, even till I think a week ago before my delivery. And then the way I came across the trained doctors over here, I am really happy. The density of the pain was as such, that I could not bear at the end. So I lost my entire energy and then I had to ended up taking the epidural. And all of a sudden my baby's heartbeat dropped, due to which then I had to worry, even the doctors had to worry. So they said, in case if the baby's heartbeat does not come back to normal, then they might have to go for a C-section. I was ready. I actually prepared my mind to have a C-section. And then luckily I was, blessed that the baby's heartbeat was back to normal and everything was well. But then I had no energy remaining in my body. The doctors were motivating me because of their enthusiasm, their encouragement. I pushed the baby. I didn't go through with a C-section. It was a normal delivery. So I would like to talk about the lactation counselor, Miss Amulya. She taught me how to hold the baby, how to feed the baby. Thanks to Miss Amulya, the way she taught, I know how to hold the baby with one hand, feed with one hand. Some people might have normal, some people might not have. And again, it depends on complications, if you have, if you do not have. The doctors will try their best to go ahead with normal. In case, due to the situation or the circumstance, you're unable to give normal birth, that's the only reason when Fernandez doctors will go for a C-section. Rest assured, come here, okay? If you have no knowledge, if you're having the baby all of a sudden, which is unplanned, I think you're in best hands. So I'm really happy. Thank you everyone. It was pleasure being here.